Here is the sign for analysis. Okay, the hand shapes are the same for both hands. Wonderful. We're going to use the letter V, both hands, right? We'd also say the number 2. We could say peace man, right? Now, how do we make a V? Well, go like this. Pinky, ring finger down, thumb on the front, in the front, on top of the ring finger. Now we have our V's. Okay, now the idea is, look at them as kind of like claws. You're trying to dig into things. You're snooping around because you're analyzing to perform an analysis. So you're digging around, okay? So that's the idea. Now take those V's, put them about here, all right? Palms facing forward. Now we're going to do 2 motions. We're going to go like this. 1, 2, all right? So there's a bag of information, whatever, and we're digging into it, all right? 1, 2. Kind of a circular motion right here. 1, 2. Like there's something there and you're opening it up. Analysis. Analysis. From the side. Analysis. Other side. Analysis. From the front again. Okay, rest position, sign with me. Let's do analysis 3 times. Analysis. Analysis. All right, quick review. Hand shapes are the same. The letters V, or we could say peace man, right? So we have those V's. Put them about here, fingers straight at the top. Now we're gonna bend the bunny ears down as we go down 1 and go down again. All right, so straight, curved, straight, curved. Analysis. 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 Okay, we just talked about how to sign analysis.